How to turn on professional mode on your Instagram. Simple and easy. So you hop on your Instagram profile like this, tap on the hamburger menu. That's the three bars at the top right corner of your screen, three lines there. Good. So on this section, you scroll to the bottom, scroll, and then to our account type and tools. That's under your insights and tools. So you just tap on account type and tools. Good. So good. You can see the last section of the screen is professional, and you can see this blue side which is switched to professional. So just tap on that like a link, and now we tap on next to do that. So I'll just say I'm a digital creator, switch to professional account, creator, and then a business. So I'll just select a creator and I'll move to next. Good. And the changes is done. What you're going to do is you complete all these 6 steps. Very simple. You just introduce yourself and all that here. And after that, your personal account will be switched into a professional account. So now let me do that. So let me fast forward that. That's it. And you can see my account has been switched to a professional account. So in my next video, I'll be showing you guys how you can switch your account back or turn off professional mode on your Instagram. So if you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to the channel. That's it for the video. Peace.